Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss the Global Power City Index 2017 and its key characteristics. This index, created by the Japanese Mori Foundation, evaluates cities based on their global influence and performance across multiple dimensions. Let's dive into the highlights of the 2017 rankings. First, let's talk about what does the GCPI means. The GCPI measures a city's global power using six main criteria, which is the economy, research and development, cultural interaction, livability, environment, and accessibility. Rather than focusing solely on finance and livability, GCPI takes a comprehensive approach evaluating the city's strength across different aspects and considering the perspective of managers, researchers, artists, visitors, and residents. Now, there is top 5 cities in 2017. The top 5 cities in GCPI 2017 remained unchanged for the 9th consecutive years. London ranked 1, New York ranked 2, Tokyo ranked 3, Paris ranked 4, and Singapore ranked 5. These cities consistently demonstrate global influence in areas such as economy, culture, and livability. Now let's dive into the notable movements in the rankings. Sydney, ranked 10, climbed 4 spots, entering the top 10 for the first time in 7 years. Los Angeles, ranked 11, Beijing, ranked 13, and San Francisco, ranked 17, improved their rankings significantly. Dubai, ranked 23, and Buenos Aires, ranked 40, made their first ever appearance in the GCPI rankings. For the regional insights, European cities excelled in livability and environment, while Asian cities performed well in economy due to strong financial markets and business activities. To sum everything up, the Global Power City Index 2017 provides valuable insights into the strengths and weaknesses of major cities worldwide. London remained the dominant global city, but other cities like Tokyo and Sydney are making impressive strides as urbanization and globalization continue. We can expect further shifts in the rankings in the coming years. Thank you for listening.